Welcome to Caribbean Glow. Why do 90% of successful gardeners swear by planting cucumbers with marigolds? Let's dive into the garden magic companion planting. It's an age-old trick that brings plants together for mutual benefits. And guess what? Cucumbers and marigolds are the ultimate gardening duo. Here's why. Marigolds are like bodyguards for cucumbers. Their strong scent keeps pests like aphids, spider mites, and squash bugs away. It's like nature's own pest control. But that's not all. Marigolds also release a substance into the soil that disrupts harmful nematodes, those pesky microscopic worms that damage cucumber roots. Talk about a win-win. Plus, marigolds attract pollinators, bees and butterflies, essential for cucumber pollination and fruit set. Their bright blooms act like neon signs, drawing in these helpful insects. So, for a garden that's buzzing with life and free of pests, plant cucumbers and marigolds together. It's a simple, natural way to boost your garden's health and yield. Happy gardening!